Cooking instructions. The following verbs frequently appear when reading the cooking instructions in recipes. Add means to put ingredients together, to put one ingredient with the others. Bake means to cook in an oven by using heat. Barbecue means to cook foods, primarily meat, on a grill by using fire or hot coals. Beat means to mix quickly and continually, commonly used with eggs. Boil means to heat water until little bubbles form. Break means to separate into smaller parts by force. Broil means to cook meat or vegetables on a rack with an extremely high temperature. Carve is to cut meat into slices. Chop is to cut into small pieces, generally used with vegetables. Combine is to put two or more things together. Cook is to separate food. Cook is to prepare food by heating it, so the food is not raw. Crush, to cause to separate or flatten by extreme force, often used with garlic. Cut, to separate or divide by using a knife. Fry, to cook by putting the food into extremely hot oil. Grate is to divide into small parts by rubbing on a serrated surface, usually used with cheese. Grease is to coat with oil or butter. Grill is to cook by putting the food on a grill, similar to a barbecue. Knead is to press and stretch dough, usually used with making bread. Mix is to combine two or more things using a spoon, spatula, or electric mixer. Measure is to obtain or get an exact quantity. Melt is to make something become liquid through heating. Microwave is to heat up food inside a microwave oven. Mince is to grind food, normally meat, into small pieces. A machine is often used to do this. Open is to remove the top from a can or jar. Peel, to take the skin off of fruit or vegetables. Pour, to transfer liquid from one container to another. Put is to place something in a particular position or location. Roast is to cook in the oven or over a fire. Sauté is to quickly fry food by placing it in hot oil in a frying pan. Scramble is to mix the white and yellow parts of eggs together while cooking them in a pan. Slice is to cut into thin, wide portions. Steam is to cook by placing the food above boiling water. Steam is the vapor that comes from hot water. Stir is to mix liquid ingredients by moving a spoon around in a circular motion. Stir fry is to cook small pieces of food by moving it quickly in hot oil. Wash is to immerse food in water and make sure it becomes clean. Weigh is to measure the weight, grams or pounds, of something. Here we have some pictures. Add, bake, barbecue, beat, boil, break, chop, fry, grate, knead, melt, mince, slice, sift, pour, peel, stir, tenderize, wash, or weigh.